Alright, it's been 20 years since I've tried a pair of transitions glasses, and I'm hoping materials technology has made that transition work really well. So let's take this guy outside. Alright, we're going to open that door to some UV light. So that did not take too long at all. They're still getting slightly darker, but I'd say the majority of the transition has occurred here in less than 20 seconds. But then getting dark was never really the problem. It's really when you go back inside is how long does it take to go clear. Alright, so going in the house. Alright, we'll start the timer from right there when I close the door so UV light's no longer getting into the house. Alright, so that's been a minute, and it is definitely clearing up, but they are definitely still tinted. So I think it'd be perfectly fine to wear this in the house a minute after you walk inside, but there is obvious tint on those. Alright, so that's 2 minutes. I could still say, hey, you're wearing transitions, aren't you? But, you know, it's pretty clear, but there is a very faint tint still there. So that's 3 minutes, and I would be hard-pressed to say for sure that these were transitions as opposed to just some type of an anti-reflective coating. So if you compare them to these other glasses, you know, there's definitely a slight darkness there, but it's very subtle. So at the 4-minute mark, I don't think anybody would notice anything at all. If you compare them to another pair of glasses, you might be able to pick out which one was the transitions glasses, but it is pretty darn clear. Alright, so at 5 minutes, it's pretty much transitioned back. You might be able to tell if you knew exactly what to look for, but they're basically just regular glasses at this point. Alright, walking outside, this is my impression. So it is bright out here. I noticeably have sunny glasses that are sun blocking on now. They're not super dark like a mirrored sunglass would be, but they are definitely cutting down the brightness. Now, they're small enough that I get a little bit of light coming in above them, but it's not bad. I think if you wanted the full sunglass effect, you'd want to buy slightly larger aviators.